Student, this is question from class 10th, chapter 8, trigonometry. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. First of all, write down what are our other trigonometric values that we have to find. That is sin A, cos A, and number 3 will be tan A, cot A, and cosec A. Okay, now let us start with the sin A here. So sin A can be written as square root of sin square A, or we can write it as 1 minus cos square A. Why we have written this? Because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 is our identity. So 1 by 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A can be written as 1 by 1 minus sec square A. Why? Because cos A is equal to 1 by sec. So taking sec square here as LCM, we have sec square A minus 1 here, or we can say root sec square A minus 1 by sec A. So we have expressed sin A in terms of sec A. Now let's go to cos A. Cos A. We know reciprocal. We have written here reciprocal of cos A is 1 by sec A. Now let's go to our third part, that is tan A. Tan A can be written as root tan square A, and we know tan square A is equal to 1 minus sec square A minus 1 by our identity. So we can write it as sec square A minus 1. So tan A is term of sec A is sec square A minus 1 here. Now let's go to our fourth part, that is cot A. So we have to express cot A in terms of sec A. So we can write this cot A as cot square A. So we know our identity cot square A. We know cot A is equal to 1 by tan A, right? So we can write it as 1 by tan square A, and we know our identity tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1 here. So we will have, this is root here, so we will have 1 by sec square A minus 1 here. This is our cot A. Now let us go to cosec A. Cosec A. Cosec A can be, this can be written as 1 by sec square A minus 1 here. Okay. Now let's go to cosec A. Cosec A can be written as cosec square A, root cosec square A, and we know cosec square, identity for cosec square A is cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Now we will replace this cosec square by 1 plus cot square. So we will have 1 plus cot square A, or cot A is equal to 1 by tan A, we know that. So we can write cot square as 1 by tan square. So 1 plus 1 by tan square A, and we know tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. So it will be 1 plus 1 by sec square a minus 1. We will take sec square a minus 1 as LCM, and where we will have sec square a minus 1 in the denominator and sec square a minus 1 plus 1 in the numerator, right? So we have 1 cancels from here, and we have this square cancel from this square root, and we have sec a by root sec square a minus 1 here. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.